Consider supporting or creating your own monarch way stations to aid these fragile insects along their epic journey. A simple way to start is by planting native plants that are best for butterflies and other pollinators, and by avoiding pesticides and herbicides in your own home garden. You can even apply to have your yard certified as an official way station at monarchwatch.org.
If you have a sandy, dry yard, you have Asclepias amplexicaulis, this clasping leafed milkweed. You have Sullivan's milkweed, which looks like the common milkweed, but it has bigger flowers, it has a nicer looking structure, and it's not aggressive. So there's a lot of options you can have. You can still have the milkweeds that you love, the Asclepias that you love. You can still have your monarchs, but you don't have to have the aggressive plant that could become a problem in your landscape.
Scientists from the USGS worked on a model to understand how much milkweed do we need to put out onto the landscape in order to enhance monarch populations and sort of take the monarch populations out of an extinction danger zone. This requires all hands on deck. So in other words, it's not going to be like the National Park Service is going to put 1.3 billion more stems of milkweed. It's got to be everybody participating.
Another way you can help monarchs is by reporting observations. The more we know about these amazing insects, the more we can advocate for their survival and for the maintenance of the habitats they need.